Hello everyone, and welcome back to Faded Crafts. Today's video is a bit of an art catch-up. Over the past few weeks, I've been creating lots of different pieces of artwork, experimenting with styles, colours and ideas, and I thought it'd be nice to share them all with you in one place. Some of these pieces have appeared briefly in videos or on social media, while others you may not have seen before at all. As we go through them, I'd love to hear your thoughts. If there's any particular piece that catches your eye, or if you'd like to learn how I created something, please leave a comment below, whether it's a technique, a style, a colour palette, or a specific artwork. Let me know and I might turn it into a future tutorial if people are interested. So grab a cuppa, settle in, and let's take a look at what we've been creating recently. Remember, there's no wrong answers here. If you see something you like, tell me what it is, and I'll see what I can do. Quite a lot of my inspiration for my artwork comes from a YouTube channel called Art Therapy with Sana. She's a practitioner. I'm also a member of her Facebook group, and I'll put a link to her works in the top right corner and also in the video description. The images you're seeing on the wall here, the three bottom ones, the shield, the pink flower, and the one on the left, all come from inspiration to do with her channel. Okay, back to my little watercolour book, and as you can see, it's getting quite chunky. These ones I think I've shown before on screen in various videos. This one is another one from Art Therapy with Sana. This is to do with letting go of last year, moving on into this year. I did some snowdrops, some grounding circles, and some daffodils. These have all been seen before. We're getting into the territory now where these haven't been seen. This one is also inspired by Art Therapy with Sana, one of her techniques on video series, and that's one of my favourites. The purples and the blues are not coming out very well on camera. It looks really like more cerise purple in real life. This is also Art Therapy with Sana, all to do with butterflies, and I did this in the colours of last month, June's 4-colour challenge. I did that one. This one was just a mishmash of what I was feeling that particular day. It's textured. I've used various mixed media, including watercolours, acrylics, Sharpie pens, Mod Podge, inks, food colourings, you name it, it's all gone into there. As you can see, I put like the food colouring and the inks around here. That is a very interesting piece. If you want to have a go at that, if you want me to do a tutorial, let me know, because I think it's beautiful. That's a fairly bright coloured one, and this one is more of blues and greens. I think it's lovely. It's got like gold pen in there. You just see a little bit of shimmer of the gold pen. Is that one, if you like that one. This is one of my favourites. This is, I call it Summer Leaves. It's very shimmery. You might not be able to tell so much on the camera. I've used, oh, that's a better page there, look. I've used some of that metallic paint in it, metallic water paint, watercolours. Again, it's raised up, textured, and we've used inks, watercolours, Sharpie pens, acrylics, stamping. I most certainly can do that for the tutorial if you want to create something similar yourself. This one I absolutely love, and you might have seen a green one up on the wall earlier. Lovely gold acrylic paint with some really beautiful multicoloured flowers. That's quite a simple technique if you would like to see that also. This one, I was trying out something different. Again, watercolours, acrylics. I might have used some actual pencils in there as well as the Sharpie pens. Quite like that one as well. And then we have this. And I absolutely love this. You might not be able to tell if I'm tip it that way, you might be able to see a bit better. But these are actually all stuck on. And the circles are stuck on. These circles are stuck on as well. I think they're absolutely beautiful. I like texture in my artwork. I did forget to put something down the middle on this one. Most of them I do put like washi tape or masking tape down the middle. I actually forgot on this one. And then of course is the Bauhaus one. There is a video to go with the Bauhaus one up on the channel, and I shall link that up there for you. If there's anything in there that you see that you'd like me to do a tutorial on, guys, let me know. Because I do enjoy my art as well as my journal making. And I'd love to share some ideas, tips and tricks with you too. And please do go and check out Art Therapy with Sana too. There we go, guys. Let me know in the comments what you think, and if there's anything there that interests you, including this one. That one actually goes with that last one, I think. When I get to it. That one. That was just like a bigger flower that came off that page. Let me know and we can do some together in a separate video. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Take care.